Good morning, dear students. Today we will read chapter number 4 from our MCB, that is, What Did Gita Eat? So, here I am going to begin with the chapter. Gita has toast with jam. She also has milk with idli. Does she have breakfast? Let's find out. Means if someone is taking toast with jam in the morning time and also took milk with idli, do you think that person had the breakfast? So we know that yes, that person had taken the breakfast, but let's find out what is there in this chapter. I'm going to read page number 43 for you people. Usha and Uma are having breakfast. They have to go to school. Gita is on the bed. She thinks she is riding a horse, but it is a pillow. So two girls, Usha and Uma, are there who are taking their breakfast, and they have to go to their school. Little Gita is on the bed. Little Gita, maybe their younger sister, is there. She thinks she is riding a horse, but it is a pillow. So kids, they used to play with the pillows and thinks that they are riding a horse. So in the same manner, Gita was also playing. Suddenly, Gita smells something. She gets off her horse and runs to the kitchen. So means food is the thing which one can smell very easily being in the room. As if your mama, she is cooking something and you are in the room, so sometimes you are asking na, mama badi अच्छी smell aa rahi hai, that what you are making. So the same thing Gita did. What she did, she means gets off her horse. Horse means her horse. There was no horse at that time. She was playing with the pillow and runs to the kitchen, and she ran to the kitchen. That smells nice. May I have some toast? She asked Amma. So means what Gita smells, what the smell that Gita had is of toast. That she smells that of a toast. She asks Amma. Amma gives Gita toast with jam. The toast is crunchy and sweet. Gita loves it. So that is crunchy, means yum. That gives the sound of a crunch when you are eating that, na? So toast is crunchy and sweet. Why the toast is sweet, bete? Because there was jam applied on that. Okay. Usha and Uma have finished their breakfast. They pick up their bags and wave goodbye to Gita. So both the girls, Usha and Uma, they waved goodbye to Gita and they means move out of the house so as to go to their school. They go off to school. Gita has finished her toast. Amma wipes Gita's sticky face. Why Gita's face was sticky? Because she had a toast with jam, and we all know that the kids, she was a kid only, that's why she was at home, she was not going to school. Gita goes back to the bedroom. Her horse has gone. It has become a hill. Appa has made her bed. So she was playing with pillows as a horse. So when she went back to her room, Appa means we know that Tamil people, they used to call their father as Appa and their mother as Amma. So from this we got to know that we are talking about a Tamil family. Okay. So her father had made up her bed. Gita climbs up on the pillow. Now she pretends she is riding a camel. Earlier she was thinking that she was on a horse, she was riding on a horse. Now she make believe that she is riding a camel. Her camel is very tall. The hump of the camel is just right for Gita to hold that pile. It was means high only, na? So pile of pillows. Pile means dher jo laga hua tha pillows ka. Fine. Suddenly Gita hears the sound of a spoon tinkling in a glass. Spoon tinkling in a glass means someone was mixing in the glass, and when the spoon strikes the glass, it gives a sound. Tinkling sounds means ringing sound. Amma is making coffee for Tata. Tata means grandfather. So her mother was making coffee for her grandfather. Gita jumps off her camel. Riding a camel is hard work. So she wants to drink milk. She runs to the kitchen again. So what she did, she wants to drink milk. Why? Because she was riding a camel and she find it very hard work, that riding a camel is a very hard work, and so she went to the kitchen. And next page number 44. I want some milk, Amma, and may I have a little coffee in my milk, Geeta asks. So as we got to know that her mother, she was making a coffee for her grandfather, and the same thing Geeta also asked from her mother, that I want some milk and please can you add coffee in my milk? All right, says Amma. So her mother said, okay, fine. So Geeta gets a cup of milk with a drop of coffee in it. She drinks it up quickly. Then she was a kid, she was a small girl, so her mother, she added only a drop of coffee in it so as to change the taste and color of the milk. There is some milk around her mouth. It's so obvious that when kids, they used to drink the milk, it means they have got some mustache of the milk, na? Isn't it? So same is the case. It looked like a mustache. Mustache in Hindi it is muche. Amma wipes it off. So her mother wipes off her mustache, means that milk that was around her mouth. Soon it is time for Appa to leave for office. Amma gives him breakfast. So before leaving for the office, her father, he took his breakfast. Geeta goes and sits in the chair next to Appa. May I also have an idli, Amma? So her father is going to eat idli as a breakfast. So Geeta also asked for the same thing. Amma gives Geeta an idli. So her mother, she gave one idli. Appa eats 3 idlis quickly and leaves for office. Geeta eats her idli with a little honey. So what Geeta ate her idli? That with the honey. She pushes the chair forward and pretends that it is a train. First of all, she was playing with the pillow and thinking it is a horse, that she is riding a horse. Second thing is again on the pillows, but she was riding a camel. And now third, she is playing with a chair and pretends, means make believe, that it is a train. The train goes chuk chuk chuk. Geeta's train is now in front of Pati. Now she was in front of her Pati, means grandmother. Tata means grandfather. Geeta's mother was making coffee for her grandfather. Whose grandfather? Geeta's grandfather. Now Geeta goes to her grandmother. Chuk chuk chuk. Pati is reading a newspaper. So what Geeta's grandmother was doing? She was reading a newspaper. Geeta, are you riding a train? Have you had breakfast? Pati asks Geeta. So her grandmother asked her that, Geeta, are you riding a train right now, bacha? And can you please let me know if you had your breakfast? No, says Geeta. She said, no, grandma. Uma and Usha had breakfast. That both the sisters, they had breakfast. Appa had breakfast. I haven't had breakfast. Though she took toast and jam along with Usha and Uma. Then she had her milk with coffee. Moreover, she ate idli also along with her father. But she was saying, no, I haven't had breakfast. Geeta then take her train to Amma. Amma, says Geeta, I haven't had breakfast yet. Please give me some. So now she took her train, means she was pushing the chair, and now by pushing the same chair to her mother, and she asked her mother for a breakfast, that I have not taken my breakfast yet. Please give me some breakfast. So that's all about the chapter. Bacha, read this chapter and do ask me if you face any problem.